Hi, Celia Papana Beijing. Now we are in the desert. Look what we found. So this our footprint, but we found this little cute footprint. We don't know which animal it belongs to. So now we're gonna have a look and follow this cute little footprint. So how many feet you think this animal has?
Must have 4, right?
4?
Uh-huh.
Like always, 2 is like this distance is longer than this 2.
Right.
Right?
And then here, apparently, this animal took a turn.
Right. Let's follow him around here.
Ask your grandma what this kind of animal is. Maybe she knows.
Lots of them, right?
Maybe she knows.
This animal's footprint.
Hey,
is
it runs in there.
看这是蚂蟥，这是你看叫这是蚂蟥。
这是哪个动物？
蚂
这是什么？
蟥，
蚂蟥。
新疆人叫蚂蟥，这个是一种药材。
啊，药材。
嗯
OK.
这是一种药材。
Bacteria for the medicine.
大姑姑，你知道这是哪个动物？
什么动物的脚印吗？
我感觉是羊的，要不就是兔子。
这兔子。
球上跳嘛，那兔子，还有野兔子这里。
Rabbit.
哦，兔子啊 ，rabbit 啊。
Rabbit.
啊。
那可能是
啊？
那可能是兔子的那个前脚短，后脚长 ，right? Just like this.
哎，
These 2 feet are shorter than the back.
兔子。
It might be. Right. So where the rabbits go? Oh, there. Wee.
Oi, okay, let's follow this one then.
Okay.
Let's see where it will lead us.
This one, each footprint's distance is quite equal, like same.
Right.
Right?
If we're lucky enough, this rabbit may lead us to the nearest McDonald's. Hop, hop, hop.
Look, the mountains opposite. Wow. Okay, now it's quite cold. So which footprint we should follow?
I always thought the desert would be so hot.
Yeah, it is. Oh, maybe not now.
It's just sand, right?
Yeah.
This is interesting. Just sand. There's nothing much that grows here. It's actually quite difficult to walk here. Every time you take a step, you will sink in,
Yeah, the sand, right?
right?
Yeah.
Just like that. There's a big truck is coming. Apparently they make paper out of these plants. I'm not sure if that's the case or not. All right.
I think I might find the end of the footprint.
Ha! We'll just end here.
I think so, yeah.
All right.
There's no print anymore.
Good.
This is camera grass. Camera. The animal
Mm-hmm.
grass.
Do they eat it?
I'm not sure, but it's a very how do you say that? Sting?
Oh, it stings here? Oh. Oh yeah, these mountains look amazing, right? Very nice. Let's find our way back. Now the good thing is we can just follow our footsteps. This kind of view you just don't have in the cities, right? You have to come out here to experience this. Even though it's quite cold now. I mean, as soon as you get into the car, it's alright again, right? So it's not a big deal. Oi. Bounce together. Okay, let's end our video here and tune in to the next episode.
See you!
Bye bye.